All right, we're getting started on our next septic. It's an EnviroTube one. We've got field down there. Machine is all greased. We're gonna get started. So this septic system, the EnviroTubes, it's actually getting dug in, which is not very common for us in Maine. It does happen sometimes, but usually we're on top of the ground or, you know, very little dug in. So we've got our right tooth set on our ERP point there. That apple tree, you can kind of see it. And so we're gonna come in. I already benched it, set to my right tooth, but we'll just bench it again. So elevation benched. And then we're gonna come in. Whoops, we're gonna bench. And then I'm gonna hold this down. Get into my offsets, and the bottom of my disposal is -92. So -92, check, apply. So now I can come back over to here and I can start digging. All right, so I'll take the grass off the top here. I'll just start get out in my fill extensions. That hole you can almost see right beside me, that's the tank. So I gotta be careful on that side what I take out of there. I'm gonna try to set my sod over just to keep it separated a little bit. That way the soil I take out, it's pretty good loamy looking stuff. As careful as we can with this apple tree. But I'll just keep going. I'll get the sod off and then I'll dig down to basically what my grade's gonna be on the bottom. And we'll show you that when we get through with that part. All right, we're scarified. Dug down to the bottom of our disposal area, and then we mixed in probably almost a load of sand into it just to make it a little bit better. The soil is a little questionable to me, but we got down there and now we're just waiting on our inspection. Then we'll move on to the next step. All right, we're all approved. So now I'm just gonna start tossing some sand in the bottom of this bed here. Then I can walk in from the other end and level it up, get it to grade for the bottom of our EnviroTubes. All right, we got our system sand up to level the bottom of our EnviroTubes. You can see I pounded some grade stakes in, and I'm gonna pull some strings so I can get ready to lay these out. I had probably 10 minutes of hand work, 15 minutes, and everything's in. So we're on to the next step. So we'll show you once we get the pipes all laid in here. All right, we are in. So we found a few issues with the design. Had to get the designer to come out, do some corrections. We got everything hooked into the tank now. Everything's hooked in. We got a few more stakes I'm gonna pound before I bury. And got a nice new polylock filter in. So we're gonna pound the stakes in a little bit, put some sand to this, and start backfilling. All right, so when I'm burying these EnviroTubes, I just sprinkle really slow. So you'll watch me just kind of the whole time I'm doing this. Obviously I'm not gonna show all of this part, but this is kind of just how I backfill. You know, once I get one side where it's filling up good, I kind of dump a little. But that's going to be my general process here. I'll get these covered with sand, and then I'll take my bucket and I'll just pluck all my grade stakes out, and then we'll backfill more. All right, I'm going to swing a riser on here. nice and carefully. The old tank obviously didn't have one, so we're gonna get one set on it. So we got a riser on. I got one more load of sand coming. Got the other side that I filled the middle right up, so I'll fill in a little bit around these Enviro tubes and we'll keep backfilling. All right. All right. We had a late night here the other night and battery ran out on the camera, but we're all filled in. We replaced the line from the house as well to the tank. I gotta clean that up a little bit, but we're gonna put some grass seed to this, mulch it in, and we're gonna be on to the next one. Next one's gonna be another Elgin system, so we'll get stuff cleaned up here, mulched in and seeded, and we will head to the next one. Hope you enjoyed.